Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the GROWBED in Subnautica 2. The GROWBED is a useful base module that lets you grow aquatic plants for food, crafting materials, and other resources. Before heading out, make sure you already have the heat adaptation and a tadpole. It's also a good idea to stay close to the surface during the trip to reduce the chances of encountering the collector leviathan. To find it, swim east from your life pod until you reach the alien ruins, which are about 1,040 meters away. From the front of the alien tower, continue at a heading of 75 degrees until you spot an abandoned research outpost in the distance. You'll find two GROWBEDs there. The first one is on the seafloor beside the base, while the second is on the roof of the outpost's larger building. Pull out your scanner and scan both GROWBEDs to unlock the blueprint. After that, you can return to your base and build small GROWBEDs, which cost 1 titanium each. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest